Question 1. A tennis ball costs $5. A shuttlecock costs $3 less. So the shuttlecock will be $2. Melvin paid $186 for some tennis balls and shuttlecock. He bought 3/5 as many shuttlecock as tennis balls. That means he bought 3 units of shuttlecock and 5 units of tennis balls. Part A. How many tennis balls did he buy? We have shuttlecock and tennis balls. For every 3 units of shuttlecock, we have 5 units of tennis balls. So this is the quantity. And what is the value? What is the amount for each shuttlecock? That is $2. And the amount for each tennis ball is $5. So we will multiply this. 3 times 2 gives you $6. So 3 shuttlecock will be $6. And 5 tennis balls will be 5 times 5. That will be $25. If we add 6 and 25, that gives us $31. That means if you have a group of 3 shuttlecock and 5 tennis balls, this group will cost $31. Okay, this is one group. Melvin paid $186 for all the tennis balls and shuttlecock. That means we take 186 divided by 31. That gives us 6 groups. That means there are 6 groups of these. And in each group, there are 3 shuttlecock and 5 tennis balls. So how many tennis balls did he buy altogether? That will be 6 groups. And in each group, there are 5 tennis balls times 5. That will give us 30 tennis balls. And that's the answer for part A. For part B, how much more money did he spend on the tennis ball than on the shuttlecock? Now let's take a look at this group. In one group, there are 3 shuttlecock. And how much does these 3 shuttlecock cost? It costs $6. Because 3 times 2 gives us $6 in total. And these 5 tennis balls will be 5 times 5. That gives us $25. So what is the difference? The difference will be $25 minus $6. That gives us $19. So in one group, the difference between the tennis balls and the shuttlecock will be $19. Okay, the difference is $19 in one group. But there are 6 groups, so we take 19 times 6. That gives us $114. So he spent $114 more on tennis balls than on shuttlecock. Question 2. At a fun fair, each boy is given 4 stickers, while each girl is given 5 stickers. Given that 2/3 of the children who attended were boys, that means the total units for children will be 3 units, and boys 2 units. Girls will be 1 unit. There are a total of 1,105 stickers given out. How many girls were there at the fun fair? So we have boys, 2 girls. We have 2 units of boys to 1 unit of girls. This is the quantity. Okay, and for value, in this scenario here, each boy is given 4 stickers and each girl is given 5 stickers. That means in one group, there are 2 boys and 1 girl. This is one group. Each boy is given 4 stickers and each girl is given 5 stickers. That means the total number of stickers given for this group will be 4 plus 4 plus 5, and that gives us 13 stickers. For the working, we'll do 2 times 4, that gives us 8. 1 times 5, that gives us 5, and that will be 13. So 13 stickers in one group. Now, a total of 1,105 stickers were given out. So to find the number of groups, we take 1,105 divided by 13, and that gives us 85 groups. So this is one group which consists of 2 boys and 1 girl, and there are 85 of these groups. How many girls were there at the fun fair? We will take 85 groups, and in each group there's 1 girl, so times 1, that will be 85 girls. So the answer is 85. There are 85 girls at the fun fair.